In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on your Shopify account. Whether you're looking to simplify your login process or need to make adjustments for any reason, I'll guide you through these steps clearly and comprehensively so you can follow along with confidence. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Shopify website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the address bar shopify.com. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your Shopify admin panel. You'll typically find the login option towards the top right corner of the home page. Enter your account credentials here to get started. Once you've successfully logged into your account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Shopify interface. Here, you'll find an icon. This might be a photo if you've uploaded one, or it could simply be a placeholder with your shop's initials. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu containing several options related to your account. From the drop-down menu, you'll see your name and email listed as an option. Go ahead and select that. Doing this will take you directly to the General Settings page, where you can manage various account settings. It's a good idea to take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's where you can access key features and preferences for your Shopify account. Next, once you're in the General Settings, look for an option labeled Security. This is an important section where you control the security preferences for your account. Within the Security section, you'll see an option specifically for two-step authentication. This is where you manage the 2FA settings. Here, you'll find the option to disable two-step authentication associated with your account. Look for the primary method you have set up. It could be an authenticator app or something else. You should see a Remove button next to this primary method. By clicking Remove, you will successfully disable 2FA for your Shopify account, simplifying your login experience. For those of you who are concerned about security after disabling 2FA, rest assured that you should continue to use strong, unique passwords and keep other security measures active. However, disabling 2FA can offer a more streamlined access to your account if you find the need for it. That's it. Once you've completed these steps, your Shopify account will no longer require two-factor authentication when logging in. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues while following these instructions, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.